Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can activate your Apple ID. So to do that, all you need to do is just go to settings first, and on the top bar over there, you just need to tap it right here. And if you have been logged in, then you can see your details over here, and if you have not been logged in, then you cannot see them. So if you have not been logged in, then all you need to do is just type in your Apple ID and password, and then after that your Apple ID will be activated, and then you'll be able to view your account and do many other activities. You can see subscriptions, you can see your purchase history, your regions, your ratings and reviews, personalized recommendation. You can also manage the newsletters and special offers. You can see the terms and services of your Apple Media services, and you can also go and see your privacy policy. So guys, after you sign in, your Apple ID will be automatically activated. If you found this video helpful, then leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.